Ever felt like you're trapped in a digital maze, desperately searching for that elusive delete button? Maybe you've decided to streamline your finances, or perhaps you've simply found a better fit elsewhere. Today, we're tackling a common frustration: how to delete your Spaceship.com account. It's a question many users ask, and honestly, it shouldn't feel like navigating a rocket launch just to close an account. Let's be real, online services can sometimes make it ridiculously difficult to say goodbye. Buried settings, vague instructions, and endless confirmation emails, it's enough to make you want to throw your laptop out the window. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process, step by step. Before we dive into the technical details, let's understand why you might want to delete your Spaceship.com account. Perhaps you've shifted your investment strategy, decided to consolidate your portfolios, or maybe you're just not finding the platform as user-friendly as you'd hoped. Whatever your reason, it's your right to manage your digital footprint and close accounts you no longer need. Now, Spaceship.com, like many financial platforms, prioritizes security and compliance. This means the deletion process might involve a few extra steps to ensure your data and funds are handled responsibly. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty. First and foremost, you can't simply click a delete button within the app or website. Spaceship.com requires a more formal approach. You'll need to contact their customer support team directly. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. It ensures that a real person is handling your request and can address any potential issues. Here's how to do it. Gather your information. Make sure you have your Spaceship.com account details handy, including your registered email address and any relevant account numbers. This will help expedite the process. Contact customer support. Head over to the Spaceship.com website and find their Contact Us or Help section. Look for options to submit a request via email or through a contact form. Clearly state your request. When you contact support, be clear and concise. State that you wish to permanently delete your Spaceship.com account. Mention your reason for doing so, if you feel comfortable sharing. Follow their instructions. Spaceship.com's support team will likely provide you with specific instructions and may require you to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure. Withdraw your funds. Before deleting your account, ensure you've withdrawn any remaining funds. This is crucial to avoid any complications or delays. Confirm deletion. Once you've followed their instructions and completed any necessary steps, ask for confirmation that your account has been successfully deleted. Keep a record of this confirmation for your own peace of mind. It's important to note that the exact process might vary slightly depending on updates to Spaceship.com's policies. However, the core principle remains: contacting customer support is the key. And remember, be patient. Deleting a financial account is a serious matter, and it might take a few days for the process to be completed. Don't hesitate to follow up with customer support if you haven't received confirmation within a reasonable time frame. Now, you might be thinking, why can't they just make it easier? Well, financial platforms often have strict regulations regarding data retention and account closure. These regulations are in place to protect your information and prevent fraud. While it might be inconvenient, it's ultimately for your security. Ultimately, deleting your Spaceship.com account is a manageable process. It just requires a bit of patience and communication with their support team. By following these steps, you can confidently close your account and move forward. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.